Hey guys, so I'm not quite sure how good you can hear me, but I have headphones on, so I can't really tell anything. So there I unplugged them and I took them off. So now you might be able to hear me better, and I might be able to know how much you can hear me. Anyways, this is a very nice slime. This is the slime I made earlier. It's a little more purple in real life, but it looks more violet and more violet and blue. And this was actually supposed to be clear, but it just turned out to not look clear at all. So yeah, we're gonna try and make some slime. So what you will need is borax or any type of activator you have, Stay-Flow, Tide, Arm & Hammer, all those things. Those you can use. Some coloring is optional and stuff. Obviously glue. And coloring, I'm gonna use for coloring my acrylic paints. These are for my actually painting, but I'm gonna use them for my slime right now because I can also use them for slime. So yeah, I think today we're gonna be making orange slime. So yeah, I'm gonna use clear glue and see how it goes, since it's acrylic, it'll probably not be clear. So yeah, sorry for the messy Alright guys, I accidentally turned off my camera. But anyways, we're gonna start making the slime now. Gonna put this one away. Okay, first step. You don't have to follow my instructions or anything. You can make slime however you do it and if it works for you. Now I'm sorry I'm covering the camera, but I gotta squeeze out all the glue that I need. I'm just gonna open this way. Wait. I'm using Crazy Art glue because I bought the Crazy Art palette. I mean the Crazy Art what's it called? I don't know what it's called. It's called something along something along the slime. What was it? I forgot the word. Anyways, I think it was the slime kit, yeah. Okay, gonna pour some borax. Not too much though. Am I even pouring some? Okay, yep. That's about enough. And if you let it sit for enough time, you'll see the slime start wrinkling. So just if you wait long enough. And that part will start turning into slime. Just a little warning, borax does not smell very good. And you will start mixing, and it looks white in the camera a little bit. But with by the stick it looks obviously clear, but if you want it to be actual clear slime, mix slowly so it could not be too foggy at the end. But I can't tell you 100% that your slime will be not foggy at the end because you do need to stir it a lot. But yeah. Anyway, so now I'm making the slime. And the slime will probably not be clear at the end. Okay, now you're going to also start playing with it. And then after you see the slime texture, you'll see if you need more borax, need more glue, need more, I don't know what else. Okay, well this definitely needs a little more borax, so we will add that. Okay, yep, I added way too much, didn't I? Yeah, I always add way too much, so I'll just wipe away some excess. Borax. Please go away. Anyways. Start mixing. I do not really like touching Borax with my hands too much. But I have touched it before, which is, it's fine. But it's kind of like scary. Because obviously most of you guys know that girl burnt her hands while making slime with Borax. And see how foggy this is. I told you you were not going to end up with... I told you were not going to end up with clear slime. You were going to end up with foggy slime. Now I'm going to try scraping off these pieces because they're kind of hard to get when there's Borax in there. Borax makes, it's like the number one ingredient to make clear slime is mostly Borax, because Borax is very nice to make clear slime, because when you use Day-Flow, when you do use Day-Flow, it will also work. But using like Tide or Arm & Hammer or Gain or all those other activators, they usually won't come out clear. It will come out the color of the detergent or anything else. Anyways, start turning into slime. It's kind of hard, but it's okay. It's just a little rippy, but it's still slimeable. Okay, now we're gonna add the color. I haven't used these acrylics yet, except for 2 colors. Oh God, I cannot do it. You just need to poke it through. Okay. Well, that's I don't know if we're even gonna need any more. Okay. We'll see how much that'll do. Thank you guys for 10 subscribers. I am so excited. Our family is growing. I know 10 isn't much, but for me it's I'm so grateful that I just started my YouTube channel about 3 months ago, and I already have 10 subscribers, even though I haven't posted much. I just have to say, I will soon. Oh, my cousin's here. So yeah, this is the slime end up. My cousin just got here. She got a new LOL doll, so you want to show them? That is her new LOL doll. Very cute.
I'm gonna tell my mom if she could buy me the big LOL.
There's baby ones too, and the pet ones.
Yeah.
At the mall. So my cousin's gonna join me for a little bit. But this is not very orange, more yellowish, but in real life it looks more orange than in camera.
I wanted to open this with you, but I don't know.
You got too excited?
Yeah. I don't know so what is the secret message.
Of what?
Like the secret message.
Where is all this? There's her stuff, like her cup and stuff. Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is the slime.
I started to say this, but I got them right away.
Oh my God, but you lose everything.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, thank you for 10 subscribers. Thank you so much. I am very excited.
I don't know how to put the water inside the bottle.
You just squish it and then put it in the water and then let it rise and then you can drink it.
You got it before? You got one before?
No, I just watched YouTube videos. So this is the slime. I guess so I'm done now. So yeah, this is how the slime turned out. Not very stretchy at all. And also sorry for my hands. I forgot to say that. My hands are very messy, but the color won't get on the slime. Maybe a little bit, but yeah, this is how the slime has turned out. And that's that. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a great day.